Hi all, in this video I will show you how to install Magento 2.3 version over CentOS 8 guest system inside VirtualBox. The host operating system is Windows 10. These steps is like we were installing a production environment. So I hope that this video will helpful for you. Let's create the virtual machine. So first of all, we need to decide which operating system we need. So let's go to the website, Magento website. So as we can read here, the Magento is only supported for Linux, Red Hat Enterprise, CentOS, Ubuntu Debian, and similar. That's why I can install on the Windows operating system directly. I decided to install here in CentOS because CentOS is the free version of Red Hat Enterprise, only removing the logs and other commercial rights. So in the VirtualBox, let's click in new. Write the name for the virtual machine and try to conserve the Red Hat version. Click on next. Assigned 4 gigas. For memory, run memory. Let's create a virtual disk. Virtual disk image. Create. Next. Let's assign 20 gigas. When I finished when I installed it first time the Magento and CentOS, the disk usage was 15 gigabytes, so I prefer to assign 20 gigabytes. As you can see, I am working on my D drive because this is HDD disk and it has 1 terabyte of space. Click on create and that's all. Now I have my CentOS virtual machine. The next step is start to installing CentOS